In this video, I'll show you how to save your TradingView chart so you never lose your work again. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have your chart set up exactly how you want it. Now, to save your layout, hover your mouse over the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a cloud with a drop-down arrow. Click on it. If it's your first time saving, choose Rename and give your chart layout a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. After that, click Save to store your setup. To make sure your work is always protected, you can also turn on autosave. This option automatically saves any changes you make, even if you forget to click Save manually. So if you close your browser or refresh the page, your chart will stay exactly the same. If you prefer to save manually, just click the Save Layout button whenever you make updates. You can also use the keyboard shortcut shown on the menu for quick access. And that's it. Your TradingView charts are now safely saved and easy to access anytime. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more TradingView tips and time-saving tricks. Happy trading!